Hi, Josh from Tekamo News. Today's topic, the Liebherr TA230 Litronic Articulated Dump Truck. This is Liebherr's new foray into the articulated dump truck market. This thing is going to be at Bauma 2022, and so are we, so I'm looking forward to seeing it. So it has longitudinal differential locks, automatic traction control. As soon as a slip occurs at the axle, the torque is transferred to the axle or axles with traction. So if one axle is slipping, the other axle picks it up. Nice feature. The angled bonnet though, this one they've really narrowed down the hood, it looks like, and they've also made the side views more exposed.
What's so significant about it being at Bauma?
Well, it'll be the first trade show that this machine's appearing at, just with COVID and all that kind of stuff. We don't have many Liebherrs, well, I think there's one Liebherr dealer where we are, and I would doubt if they have one of these on the ground there. Right? So this is kind of a good chance to get people to look at the equipment, see the equipment, touch the equipment. I want to sit in there and see it for myself. Right? It's just like anything. You want to see it for yourself. You can only take so much information from other people's experience. If you want to keep up to date with the latest news, subscribe below. Or if you have any questions for me directly, you can email me at joshd@tekamohd.com. Smash that like button. Let's go. What are you doing? Come on.